Hello, this is Mr. Ezra, and I'm stuck at home today. I had a student question about finding the length of an arc, so I thought I would record a short video and explain how to do this. The first thing that I want to mention is that if I wanted to find the distance all the way around the circle, we call that the circumference, and the circumference is found by multiplying 2 times pi times the radius. Remember, pi is a special number. It's irrational, 3.14159, and it keeps going on and on forever. There's a pi button on your calculator that you'll use to do this. So in this case, I don't want to find the distance all the way around the circle. Instead, I just want the length of this arc that's outside of this shaded area here. So this arc is not the whole circle, it's just part of the circle. So the first thing that I want to start with when I'm finding the length of an arc is to find, well, what part of the whole circle am I dealing with? And this is just a fraction where you take the degree measure of whatever the arc is. Remember, it's the same as the central angle. So if this angle is a 90-degree angle, then this arc is also 90 degrees. And I'm going to divide that by 360 degrees because the whole circle is 360 degrees, and this part of the circle would be 90 over 360 degrees. I'm then going to take this fraction that I figured out and multiply by the circumference formula because I'm asking what part of the circumference is this arc. So 90 over 360 multiplied by 2 times pi, and in this case the radius is 8 feet, so it would be 8. Now you can, if you have a decent scientific calculator or graphing calculator, you can put all of this in at one time and it'll give you a decimal answer, or you can simplify it a little bit as I've done here. 90 over 360 simplifies to 1/4. Using the commutative property, I've multiplied 2 times 8 to get 16. And then I actually used 1/4 times 16 times pi in my calculator, my scientific calculator, to get about, that's what this little squiggle means, about 12.57. So I've rounded to the nearest hundredth here. This is the formula that you're going to use for finding the length of an arc. It's the fraction of the circle, which is the degree measure always over 360, times 2 times pi times whatever the radius is. I hope this example helps. If you have any more questions, I should be at school later today to answer them.